I have a domain name that I want to redirect to my local server. How do I do this? This may be better suited for server fault, so someone can migrate it if need be. For the purposes of testing, I want to redirect a domain name I own to my local host. How do I do this? Can I simply set the redirect to 127.0.0.1? Also, I am using Windows. Any help is appreciated.
This answer relates to setting up a local testing environment that works on the LAN only. It seems from comments that the requirement is to redirect all external requests as well. This is a different requirement and is better covered by the other answers. Although you might still need the points covered in this answer depending on the capability of your router. EA. Does it allow loopback? In your Windows host file you can set a mapping from your domain to your localhost 127.0.0.1 located in C:\mar. Any requests for example.com will then go to your localhost. This is suitable for testing just on your local machine. If you want to be able to test this from any machine on your LAN, including phones, tablets, etc., then you can set in a record in the DNS zone for that domain, perhaps for a local test subdomain that points to the internal IP address of your server, e.g. 192.168.1.20.
The answer will differ depending on whether your local network is on a dedicated IP or not. If your external IP is dedicated, set in a record to that IP. You should be able to do this through your domain provider's control panel. If your external IP is dynamic, like on most home networks, you'll need to use a dynamic DNS service to always update your domain to point to your local IP, even after it changes. Dyn has been doing this for as long as I can remember, but plenty of organizations offer this service. After that, it's down to your local network config, which hasn't been mentioned in the question. Presuming you're behind some sort of router, you'll need to tell that direct traffic to your local server's local IP for whatever ports you're using.
First, you need your external IP address, if you want anyone else to reach your domain. Second, you need a DNS server that holds your domain record, and uses in a host record to point to your external IP. Then you need to set up your domain to use that DNS server, probably in the control panel of the company you use to register the domain.
Do you want to subscribe to the channel?